So let's open our database and see what tables we have created. We created religions table, religions follower, religions like, religions view, users table. Do you have any problem with all religion table, or you feel everything is fine, or you need to add some more columns, or you feel that everything is fine, or you feel we are missing something?
I'm good.
Pardon?
Everything is good so far.
Okay, so far is good. And we may, when we develop the website, we may try to add more or delete something, because right now, whatever we think, we created it. But later on, if we feel something is needed, we will add it. And if we feel something is extra, we will delete it. So right now, let's have this one. This week, we will be creating all tables. So no coding this week. All tables. We will be creating tables for all the websites which we will build. So let's try to create another project now. So we build the tables for the users, we build the tables for the religion. So let's try to create a new uh, tables for the new website. So the next website is my or remedy finder. So how the remedy finder works, in the remedy finder, a user will come and he will he has to say that what problem he was suffering and how it got relieved. So, for example, there is a user A. He was suffering from, for example, some uh, kidney failure. For example, take a simple kidney stones. Let's take kidney stone, and he got correct. He got cured of that problem. So he got cured of his problem. So he will come to our website and he will say, he will search for the diseases, or he knows the disease. He will put the disease name, and then he will say which treatment he took. For example, he can say he took allopathy, or he took Ayurvedic, or he took acupuncture, or he took magnet therapy, or he took Reiki, or he took homeopathy, or he took some blah blah blah. I don't know. We will put all the list of the things what he took, or surgery. Let's put surgery also, or some diet change. Which treatment he took, and what treatment he took, means what medicine he took. He can say, for example, in allopathy, he took medicine A. Don't know what he took, maybe medicine A or medicine B. Or in the surgery, he may say, don't know, because he was not knowing what medicine he was taking. So he can say, don't know. Or in acupuncture, he can say he got acupuncture needle in point H7 or K9, something like that, wherever he got acupuncture treatment. Or in magnetotherapy, he will say two magnets were kept at abdomen region. So he will describe what medicine he took, and and then he will also say whether there was relief or permanent cure, or permanent spelling is wrong. I also don't remember the spelling. Or he may say there was temporary cure, then problem reappears. So this information he will fill, and then he will submit the form. He will give some description, and he will give some rating. So maybe he can say he got. I don't want to give rating actually. He can say just a relief or permanent cure or temporary cure. This is kind of rating. I don't want to say one rating, two rating, because if I give the chance of giving the rating to the user, he will put one number, and I don't want to discourage any treatment. I want to encourage all the treatments. So he cannot say he dislikes something. He can like something, but he cannot dislike something. So I don't want to give rating kind of thing, but this is information he will fill and he will submit it. Then user B will come and he wants to see whether user B is also having the same problem, kidney stones. So he will search who has kidney stones and how he got relieved, and he will see how he got relieved, and he will also follow the same thing, and then maybe he get benefit from the same treatment. So this is the concept of this one. So this will only need one table because user will put all his information. I don't need any other information for that. Maybe I can have one more table for comments. So let's say user A has put something, then other people will comment on it. Oh, really? You got cured with it? Something like that comments, and he will reply, and some other people will reply. So these comments will be there. Also, there will be admin which will delete the bad comments. So tomorrow someone is putting bad words in the comment, so that has to be deleted by the admin. So that will not go into database. That will be tackled in the coding level. So admin will check any bad comments or any illogical treatment. Okay. So if someone is saying I got treated by killing someone, so that is illogical, illegal kind of thing. So that thing should be deleted by the admin. So there should be admin who will check. So I'm putting this here so that when we build the website, we should have the information what we are trying to build. So let's try to create the tables for this project. It's a remedy finder. So I will prefix with RF. All the tables will be prefixed with RF underscore. So first table will be, okay, I will put RF underscore ID, and it will be, this data type will be integer, length will be 11 digit, primary key, auto increment. Who is creating the record? So I will put user ID and T11. Then we will put disease. He has to put disease name. So I can say problem, and problem will be varchar, and I will put maximum as 255 character. I don't think more than 255 will be for any problem. Second will be which treatment you took. So here will be treatment, and treatment will be enum kind of thing. Right now we will put few. Tomorrow if we get more, we will add more also. Let's say one is allopathy, second is surgery, third is Ayurvedic. Maybe we can search on internet what are the different types of treatment. Alternate treatment, because one is allopathy, all others are alternate treatment available.
So in this case, we are not creating a separate user table.
Yeah,
We are going to
yeah,
use the existing one.
right. User will be one table, common table, and all other tables will be different. Only user table will be same because we are not going to, uh, you know, we are not going to create users again and again. We will be creating only one table. So if user is registered in one of the our website, he is automatically registered to all our websites. So you don't have to register on other websites. It's a one. Okay, so there is acupressure. Let's put acupressure. What if I write down in the notepad and then I will put there. So Ayurvedic, acupressure, acupuncture. We'll put all the list kind of thing. Pressure, acupuncture, aromatherapy. Let's see, Ayurvedic is already, I have taken Ayurvedic. What is Belenotherapy? I never heard of this one, but we will put it because some people have belief in this alternative, and this is biofeedback. I never heard of this biofeedback. This is all which we see. We remove some of them which are very useless, but chiropractic, well, homeopathy, naturopathy, reflexology, okay, Reiki. So these are the 11. I know some more magnetotherapy. Let's put this one only, this one. Later on, we will add it if we find more. If you find more, just let me know. Or I'll also search on the internet what else we can put. Maybe we can put massage therapy. But massage also for some back pain and all, they can relieve. So this is the therapies which we will use. I will put here, and let's go. What is the next field? This is a treatment, okay. And what medicine he took? Maybe he can describe the medicine which he took. So I can say medicines taken, and I will put text field because some people might have taken 1,000 medicines in whole treatment, so they can put a list of all the medicines. It may go big list, so I will choose the text field. I will choose the description. He will describe in detail what happened to him and how he got corrected. Okay, comments will be the next another table. And what else can come? Can you think any other field?
Age category.
Yes, yes, age category is also good. RF created that also. So uh, maybe the user age age is needed. Maybe he is 40 years. He has taken medicine X. Tomorrow another person is there who is 30 year. He may not get same medicine, so he can see the age also of the user. I will put int of. I'll put more. There will be no more than 2 characters, but I'm putting 4. And what you say, user's gender, or I will say RF age. Since everything is RF, I will prefix with RF. This is unique to this table, so I don't need putting the RF. But description may need RF because
Gender, we are already getting it from the user table, right?
yeah. But if I join, yeah. Gender, you are seeing user table. Okay, maybe I joined created with my name, but I am giving the description of my mother.
Okay.
So I may put the name gender different. So that's the reason I'm attaching rs gender. User gender is only gender. This is rs gender, and I will put as enum, and it will be male, female. Maybe patient's name we don't need it because people don't want to disclose their name, but age, gender is fine. What is any other thing? Kate, can you think any other field? Kate, are you
Not
there?
yet.
Not yet.
Yes,
Okay.
not yet.
Okay. So if you remind something, just let me know.
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe
So
height and weight. Would height and weight
height.
affect it?
Okay, height and weight. Yeah, we can take since it is. Uh, uh, I will think on that height and weight because I can take diabetes amount. If someone is having diabetes, how much diabetes he was having or how much. But that will not give me anything kind of thing because let's say other person will search. Let's say I'm searching. I will search the problems to maybe problem. I will search or I will search the treatment. I will not search height or weight kind of thing. Age and gender is only needed to see who was able to cure itself with this problem. But height and weight, maybe we can, maybe he can put in description if he wants to. But we are not going to search, so I'm not sure if I will take that. Okay, let's create this table, and we will add more if you get something. You know, if you get something, it's a remedy finder treatment. Okay, so one table. I will add one more table. I will say RF comment ID because people will comment on it. I need the comments. I will add one more field. I'll tell you what. Okay, comment ID will be, then I will say commenter ID means the user who is commenting. It is a user ID only. I will say commenter user ID who is commenting on this one. So I will say 11. Then I will say what comment he wants to put. So it's a comment. It is a text field. He can put as long as he want. And comment date. Comment date is the timestamp. And I will, when someone admin will see that this comment is not good, admin will delete the comment. But actually, that comment should not go from the database. It should be there. So tomorrow, if we know what was the comment, if admin will delete it, we will never be able to see which was the comment. So we will do soft delete. Do you know meaning of the soft delete? It's called soft delete. Soft delete means it will not go away from the database. It will be there in the database, but no one will be able to see it. That is called soft delete. So I have to create one field called as comment deleted, and I will put it as an integer, and I will give only one character length, and default will be 0. That means comment deleted is 0. It's not deleted, and I will say not null. So initially it will be 0. That means comment is not deleted. When admin will see, oh, that this comment is very bad, so what it will do, admin will change it to 1. That means comment is deleted. So other people will not be able to see that comment, but it is in the database. So tomorrow, if admin wants to again see those deleted comments, he can see that. So that's the reason we have to do soft delete. So we will never delete that comment. We will only update it, update this column to 1. And if this column is 1, and if this column is 1, that means comment is there, but it is invisible to the other users. Did you understand the meaning of soft delete?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Soft delete means we are not really deleting from the table. We are just updating the status of this field, and other people will not be able to see the comments if this is 1, and if this is 0, then other people will be able to see that. That's called soft delete. We are not really deleting it. And we'll say RF comments. Okay, let's add in the treatment also. We will add RF deleted. Here also we will not delete it because these data is very sensitive. Tomorrow, if someone is putting bad thing and admin is deleting it, but really we want to see what is happening in that, that treatment or that comment. So we should be able to do only the soft delete. So I will make the length of 1 and default will be 0 and I will make it not null. And I will alter the table. It's automatically updating this current created it as a current timestamp. That means I don't need to pass it. It will automatically add this field whenever we create the new record. Let's alter this table. Same thing will be might be for alter. Yeah, for the comments also it is created current timestamp. So it will automatically create the timestamp in the current date field. So this is the project about. Okay, so finish this project. Let's move to another project. Next project will be, this is one of the biggest project which I want to do, and that is called as city e-commerce website. So this is one of the biggest project we will do, and how it works like this. So we have country. Inside country, we will have the states. Inside states, we have city. So there are about 21,000 cities in the United States, or more than that. I don't know exact number. Around about 21,000 or more. I don't know. Maybe 40,000. Let's consider 20,000 cities are there. Now each city will have one owner. For example, Kate, where do you live, Kate?
Fremont.
Fremont. So Kate is owner of Fremont. Maybe Carrie is owner of, where do you live, Carrie?
San Mateo.
San Mateo. Tamil is owner of, where do you live, Tamil?
Union City.
Union City, okay. And Johnny, where do you live? Type it if your mic is not working. Johnny, are you there? Type where do you live? Okay, maybe Johnny, where do you live? Okay, he's not responding. He's just listening mode, in the listening mode. It's okay. Some people feel little shy to answer. Okay, let's say Johnny is owner of San Jose. So we will make the city owner. So there will be 20,000 city owners in this our website. And the job of each owner and job of each, this is very big website. We may need 2-3 days to actually really complete all the tables. Maybe today, I don't know how big the tables will be. I have the idea, but let's see how we are building it. So job of each city owner is to collect all the products for his city. So for example, you have Walmart in your city. Okay, you have Indian store in your city. You have furniture store in your city. You have Target in your city. You have Home Depot in your city. So what will be the job of this city owner? City owner will be, he will go to each store wherever he wants to. It is up to him. And he will think that his store, let's say Kate is the Fremont store. Fremont store is owned by the Kate. So in the Fremont store, he will put from the Fremont store, Kate will from in the Fremont store from Walmart, Kate will purchase, let's say, 100 items, and she will put it in the website. She will go to Indian store and she will take, let's say, 50 items from the store, and she will put it in her name in the Fremont store. Her website. So like this, she will take, let's say, whatever item she can or she likes, she will take the name, take the picture, let's say 1000 or 100 products she will take from Walmart, 50 products from the Indian store, 50 products from the furniture, 50 products from the Target, 50 products from the Home Depot. She will put it in the store and she will put the price for each one. It's up to her if she wants to keep the same price or she wants to add 10 cents, 20 cents more for each one. It's up to her. Whatever price she wants to put, she will put it. And she will also put some standard shipping, for example, $5. Okay, and then whoever wants to buy something from the Fremont store, they will see all this item products and they will see a shipping also. So they can order all the products from this Fremont store. So the Fremont store is basically owned by the Kate, and she can put any products from the any of the store and she can deliver at home with this shipping charge, and she can take the money by, in India we used to have cash on delivery. So here she can put cash on delivery or she can put PayPal on delivery. Means when she will deliver the product, she will get a person can give the cash to her, or person can give the payment through PayPal to her, or person can give the, and these two are the major thing which I was thinking when they can give, and she will deliver it herself to the each of the person who is ordering to her. So that's kind of the local store. And in the Fremont, she can travel anywhere if she has car. But if the product is very big, then she can tell Walmart to deliver it, and there will be extra shipping for that. So that will be, she can communicate through messages or she can communicate through mail to the user that this product is little costly and there will be extra shipping on this one. And if user agrees, she will deliver to it. So it's kind of 20,000 stores will be in the US, and each store will be having one owner, and that owner will supply all the products in that city. So if you are living in the Union City and if you want some products which is not available in the Union City, then you can request to nearby cities. But if it is available in the Union City, then you have to take it from there, because from she will only go in the Fremont city only. She will not go outside of Fremont city. So that's the main purpose of this website. So it's an online store. There is no store is needed. Online you can create your set of things which you want to sell, and just you can sell that one. But it is called a city store. It's not the kind of Walmart or it's not kind of Target. It's a city store. So we will be building some kind of this functionality. So there will be 20,000, let's say, cities. I'm just giving some dummy examples. It's not, it may not be the real. So uh, this is the funda for our website, and we will try to build our tables based on that. So there will be many tables will be created, and for that we will start creating the tables now, but it will be completed tomorrow. We will complete tomorrow. We'll create some tables now, some tables we'll create tomorrow. So let's create first table. First table I want is the all the city owners, who is the city owner of that city. So I will create a new table. I say, maybe I can say owner ID or city ID. Here I will put city ID. I'll put integer 7 characters, auto increment. Okay, I will put the city name. Then I will put state name. City name, state name. Let's put this varchar, and I will put the varchar of 200 letters. State name will be varchar, and state name will be also 50 characters in the length. I will say country name, and country name I'll put varchar. Okay, country name is varchar, 50 characters. So this is all about city table, and then I'll put the owner ID. So who is the owner of this city? And it will be 11 characters. And here I will say created date, and then I will put the timestamp. All I need: city ID, city name, state name, country name, owner ID, created date. So if I come today, I will create by one city, for example, San Francisco. Then I will choose city this. I will also choose the latitude of that city. I will make it double, and also I will choose the longitude of that city longitude, and here will be city latitude. Okay, just in case if I want to see the distance between the two cities, I will put the city latitude and city longitude. So that's it for all. That's all for the city one. I will create the table, and this is called the city project. So I will prefix with CP or city e-commerce. So I will say CE. I will write down in the database. This will be CE, prefix is CE, and here I will be saying cities. So first table created cities. Second table will be he wants to add the products. I don't know from where he bought this products. Maybe he will add something that he bought it from Walmart or Indian store or any place. But he can hide that also. He can say he don't want to disclose that. He will just put the product name. Maybe he got from Amazon. We don't know. So to add the products, one will be the category. One will be the categories. So which category he wants to add the product. And category will be like this. So it can have furniture. Inside furniture, the category will be something like that, kitchen furniture or maybe hall furniture. Inside kitchen furniture also there will be subcategory. Maybe I can say utensils, or there will be kitchen board, anything. I don't know much about kitchen. So he can create multiple levels of categories. Okay, so we can create multiple level of categories. So there will be one table called as categories. So I will create the category which will be like this fashion. There can be subcategory, subcategory, subcategory also. So how to create the subcategory, subcategory, subcategory? So I can say category ID, and there will be another field called as category, and there will be another field called as parent ID. So let's say furniture is the first category. So I will give number 1. Here I will put the number 1 and I will put furniture. And parent ID is, since this is the first category created, so that means the parent ID will be 0. Let's see the second category. It is a kitchen and hall furniture. So I will create the second number category and it will be kitchen furniture. And the parent ID will be what? Can anyone tell me what will be the parent ID for the kitchen furniture? If you see this diagram, what will be the parent ID?
1.
1, because this is the child of 1. So we will put parent ID 1. So let's create the third category, that is the hall furniture. What will be the parent ID of this? Parent ID, hall furniture and kitchen are inside the furniture. So for this hall furniture also the parent ID will be the 1, that is the furniture. I will create next category. Next category is utensils. What will be the category for this, parent ID for this?
2.
It will be 2 because it is inside the 2, because it is the child of kitchen. So kitchen's ID is 2. So parent ID of this is 2. Let's create new category. Kitchen board. What would be the parent ID of this?
2.
2. Let's create another structure. I will say there is a sports good, and inside sports good there is outdoor sports and there is indoor sports. In the outdoor sports there is a cricket category, there is a badminton category. In the indoor there is a carom category or there is a chess category. So let's create this structure also. I will start with the 6th number category, that is the sports. What will be the parent ID of this?
0.
0, because this is a top level category. And let's create another category, outdoor. What will be the parent ID for this?
1.
6, because outdoor is
Uh-huh.
inside the sports. Because outdoor is the child of the sports, not the child of the furniture. Okay, so I am creating this as a same level. So actually furniture and sports are in the same level. Sports is not the child of furniture. Sports is at the top level. Since it is a top level, it is 0. And this outdoor is child of the sports. Outdoor is not child of the furniture. Is this clear?
Yes.
Why it is 6?
The reason is sports ID is 6. And the outdoor is the child of sports. Outdoor is not child of furniture.
Wait, wait, class.
Oh, I see, I see.
Outdoor is the outdoor sports. Actually, it's the child of the sports. It's inside the sports. Right? It's not inside the furniture. Furniture is different top level category. So we have the parent ID 6. Let's create another category. It's the indoor. What is the parent ID of the indoor?
6.
6.
6.
Yeah, 6, because indoor is also the child of the sports. Indoor is not child of outdoor. Indoor is not child of furniture. These are in the same level. See, I put the same tab level. Now if I create another category that is called as cricket, what will be the parent of the cricket?
7.
7. The reason is cricket is child of outdoor and the idea of outdoor is 7. So we have to put the parent ID 7 for the cricket. Let's put the 10. Badminton. What is the parent ID of the badminton?
7.
7. Because badminton is child of the outdoor and our idea of the outdoor is 7. Okay. Now Kate will answer. What is the parent ID of the carom?
Let me think.
Which one?
Let me
Which one?
6.
Okay.
No, 7.
7 is outdoor. Carom is not child of outdoor.
Okay.
What is the
But
parent?
of sport. So,
This is a
6.
sport.
No,
But
no, 6.
Okay, so you are still confused. This is
8.
a sports. 8. This is a sports. Child of the sport is outdoor and indoor only. Cricket is the grandchild of the sports because
Yeah.
sports is let's say father. Sports got two child, outdoor and indoor. And outdoor got two child, cricket and badminton. Indoor got two child, carom and chess. Since
8.
carom and chess are the child of indoor, that's the reason it is 8.
8. Yeah.
Okay.
This time I'm clear.
So easily remember, I will create now new category, but it will be not real categories. It will be artificial categories. So I will put here, this is a father and this is the child 1 and this is child 2. Child 1 got two kids. One is a grandson, 1 grandson 2. Now if I create the category, new category 13 as a father, since father has no parent, so the parent is 0. Next category will be child 1. Since the parent of child 1 is a father, so it will take the 13 number. 15 number will be child 2. Since the child 2 is also the son of the father, it will take 13 number. I will create another ID that is a grandson 1. Since the grandson is a child of child 1, so it will take child 1's property, that is the 14 number. And the grandson 2 will also take 14 number because it is grandson is also son of the child 1. So this is how we build our categories in our project. So we need only 3 fields: category ID, category and parent ID. So let's create this last table for today and we will continue tomorrow. This may have many tables, so we will continue tomorrow also. So it will be, I'll say category ID, it will be integer, length will be 11, auto increment. Next column will be category, var car 255, maximum length I put generally 255. It can go bigger than also, but initially when MySQL came, it was 255 was the maximum, but now they have increased it to 500 also. And parent ID will be integer 11, and parent ID will be default by 0. It is not null. So if we don't specify parent ID, it is 0. So top level will always be 0. Create a table. It is a CE underscore category. Okay, so we created 2 tables for our city project. One is the cities and one is the categories. Tomorrow we will also create tables for products because he will be getting products from the Walmart. He will also get the products from the Walmart, and let's say Kate got one product called as milk from Walmart. Similarly, Carrie also got milk. So both have the same name. So we will also tackle how to tackle the same name, because if it is same name, I don't want to create two products. I will create only one product, and I will give this product to Kate also. I will give this product to Carrie also. So we will see how to do that. Tomorrow we will create more tables on the products, and we will link with the categories. And this way we will build our e-commerce website kind of thing. But this e-commerce is different. Why our e-commerce will work? The reason is currently we have the Walmart, currently we have Indian store, we have other, all the stores are there. Hello. So we have all different stores in the market, but there is nothing, Amazon, from Amazon you can bring anything anywhere, but you cannot get whatever you get locally. So our website will have something kind of local taste kind of it, and you can get all the products at your home just by selecting the products online, and you can get in the same price at home. There will be some shipping charges which anyhow you when you go to the Walmart, you invest 1 hour, 2 hour of time. You give some $5-10 to someone. It's almost similar kind of that. You will save so much time of going to the Walmart or different stores. So that's the reason our store may work. It may not work also, but we have 20,000 city owners which will give some money to our website. So that's the whole purpose of our website. Any question?
Nope.
Okay.
No.
So we will continue tomorrow with our city project. And once we create all the tables for city, we will move to another project. I have many projects in my mind. We will be building the tables for all the projects. And this week, once we finish all the tables, we will start building the website from next Monday. Is that okay?
Yes, clear.
Great.
Okay. Thank you.